getting ready to go inside of Aldi's right now to go do some grocery shopping. It is early Saturday morning, so forgive all this hot mess. It's a no makeup day. Anyway, I have planned out our meals for the month. I am going to try my best to see how little I can spend for a month's worth of groceries. It is only dinners or suppers. I call them supper, you may call it dinner, but it's only supper meals. There are 7 out of 30 days that I do not have to cook because we're going on vacation and we have vacation Bible school and we eat at vacation Bible school. And then my son's girlfriend's graduation is that night, so we'll eat out for that. But we're gonna go see how much we can get for how little we'll spend. So let's go to Aldi's. And just as a reference, this is my list of meals. I have put if they come from Pinterest, if I find it on the internet, if it's on TikTok. If I don't have any kind of initial beside it, it is something that I already make and it's a regular thing, so I don't need a recipe, I already know it. Then I took that list and put it on my menu or on my calendar. So you can see, like, we have vacation Bible school, so we'll eat at church. Vacation Bible school starts on this day, but we're having a potluck, so we're making a meal to bring. Up there where it says graduation, that's my son's girlfriend's graduation, so we'll eat out that night, and then we'll be on vacation these nights. So I went through, after I made my list of everything I needed, I've got every ingredient that I'll need for that meal. I went through, marked off what I already had at home, and then I did come up with this grocery list. I have it broken down into everything that I need. Now, the only thing that I will buy on a weekly basis is produce and bread, because I don't want to buy it at the beginning of the month and then stand a chance of it going bad. So we'll buy these things weekly, but let's go get shopping. Alright, y'all, so we just finished at Aldi's. I didn't get everything that's on my list, which I knew I wouldn't, so we're gonna head to Walmart, but I did pay $66.61 for everything that I did get, and I didn't get to finish showing y'all while I was shopping because the store was starting to pick up. But let's go to Walmart and see if we can finish out our list. Okay, we are done at Walmart. It was way too busy in there for me to be able to show you me shopping, but I got the majority of what was left on my list. I still have to make one more stop. Good thing all these stores are really close to each other. But I spent $60.29. Part of that was tax, obviously, but I do have the majority of what I need left, or what I need. I already have the majority of what I need, so there's 7, 8 things maybe left that I'm going to go to Sam's Club and pick up, and that'll probably put me right at my budget. But let me tell you, I have Walmart Plus membership. Our local Walmart today was trying to encourage people to sign up for Walmart Plus. Because I already have that, they give me a cupcake. So I'm gonna enjoy my cupcake on the way to Sam's. Let's go. Okay, so I'm done in Sam's Club. I spent $91.71. Some of it is actually gonna last me past this month. So, yes, I went over a little bit. Not technically, but see, what happened is I allotted $220. I spent $7.09 last night on some chicken patties and some hamburger buns. So I deducted that from my $220. So that left me with $212.91. After everything was said and done, I did my whole shopping trip, everything. I'm over like $5.70. So I don't really think that's bad, because if you really think about it, that's probably the tax that I spent. But we'll go home, get this all out, and I'll show you everything that I got. And that just leaves 3 weeks that I have to go back and get like produce and bread, but that shouldn't even be $20 a week, if that. But all right, let's go home. I'll show you what I got. So I've got some egg noodles, some meatballs, a 5-pound bag of meatballs. That's actually going to last me longer. Different gravy mixes that I'm going to need, some pastas. I needed a new salt. I've got some frozen corn, some fresh green beans for a crock pot meal, potatoes, because that is an essential in my house, butter, ricotta cheese, heavy cream, more produce that we need for this week, some milk. My kids love these White Castle burgers, so I got those for them since they'll be home from school. Some cornbread mix, some meat. I got the family size of the hamburger and the chicken. I needed more seasoning, so I got that. I know the lady at Aldi thought I went crazy on all of this lunch meat that we got, but some of it's going to be for sliders for 2 different meals. Some is going to be for roast beef sandwiches in a crock pot. So we got a lot of lunch meat, but it's okay. It is okay. It's all going to be eaten. We bought so much cheese also. I needed the Swiss and the provolone for the sliders, the cheddar cheese for burgers. And then a little tip that I find saves money. I buy my cheese in blocks and shred it myself, and it's better to me and it's cheaper, and I get just as much. There's some more hamburger. I'm going to make lazy enchiladas with the taquitos. I needed some more eggs. We needed bread. We have chips. And then, like I told you, I got the hamburger. I got a giant, almost 10-pound roll for $34. So that's my grocery haul.